And welcome back to techbeatph.com. And with the recent influx of smartphone in the Philippines, we're here to give you another review of our latest smartphone. So this time we're going to review the Zenfone Live L1. So the Zenfone Live L1 is a smartphone that's designed to take pictures and give you the functionality of higher-end smartphone. So do stick around the video and see our unboxing and real-world review. Thanks for our friends from ASUS for lending us borrow a fresh unit of a Zenfone Live L1. Now let's do the unboxing. Opening the box, we can immediately see the documentation that comes with the phone. Moving on to the star of the show, the phone. As you can see here, it is very nice size, very handy. It has a polycarbonate finish, very nice screen. Let's put the phone down and see what else is in the box. Opening up the rest of the box, we can see further documentation. We can see a pair of earphones that comes with the phone, the charger that comes with the phone, and the charging cable. Now let's go back to the phone. As you can see here, we're powering up the phone and we're going to set it up. After setting up the phone, as we can see here, it is a very nice, very clear screen. You can see the charging cable and speakers at the bottom of the phone. You can also see the volume up, the volume down, and the screen lock buttons on the right side of the phone. You can see the camera, the flash at the back, and at the top, you can see the 3.5mm headphone jack. Left side of the phone, you can see the SIM card tray. Overall, the phone feels nice at the hands, it's not slippery, and it has a very responsive screen. So let's take this out on a walk in BGC and see how it performs in real-world situations. Taking the phone outside Fort Bonifacio and actually using it while texting gives us a very nice readable screen even in broad daylight. Using the phone and calling is really nice. It delivers nice, crisp, clear audio, so your communication will be right on point. Shooting video and photos with this phone is really nice, so we are only covering initial shots and photos taken in this video. We will be doing an in-depth use of the camera and other features of the Zenfone Live.
there you have it guys, our latest unboxing and real-world review of the Zenfone Live. So who is this phone for? So this phone is for those people who really likes to broadcast themselves live over the internet, who has a podcast and who would like taking pictures of themselves. We at TechBeatPH give this the silver rating for its camera, for its functionality, and for its ability to broadcast live over the internet with beautification and real-world alteration of your images. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing and give us a thumbs up. Click that notification bell icon for more coming from techbeatph.com.